Your father would be every bit as proud of you.
Thank you. I'm really glad you're here, Mom.
And here I'll stay.
If she fine, I'ma give it to her 2 times.